Well, guys, I told you I was gonna bring you different locations, and like you see, I will. This is Haulover Beach's Sandbar, and this is where all the yachts that come through Haulover end up and spend the day. So, as you can see on this video, it's a Yacht Jericho. They're personal friends of mine. That's the Pershing 90, and I've always been invited to their boats. So, if you want to see more of this type of content, let me know. Also in the video, Gaga Gris is one of the largest yacht charters here in Miami, and it's a Mangusta yacht. Now they have changed the color back to white. That was just like a promotion for a couple of months. But I just want to say thanks to all the people that are leaving comments on the video, and I wish I could talk less, but for now, until we get the channel rolling, I'm gonna do it. So like I said, I will be bringing you more different locations throughout Miami, and I hope you are enjoying the content. And remember to always leave a comment below, and that's the only way that YouTube will recognize the channel. Thanks for your support, and I will see you on another video. Take care.